Hey guys, today we'll try to fix the Instagram ad. Yours not working. So if in the case that you want to go ahead and upload a specific ad, yours, sticker, on Instagram, or whenever you guys tap on the ad, your sticker on Instagram, it's not necessarily working. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to solve this issue step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we actually need to do first is to go ahead and make sure that we are using the latest version of the application. Of course, hop on over to the App Store and then, of course, launch and search for the Instagram application. Once you're here, basically make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram installed. And if you do have an update available, or if you do see that there is an update available, I would like you guys to proceed with updating your application to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed, giving you the best user experience possible. One more thing we could also do is to go ahead and double check out internet connections with our Wi-Fi and seeing if we have stable internet connection. Now, making sure of this will solve this specific bug with your Instagram ad. Yours not working, and could also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.